Okay, so in this video we will cover the next Leetcode SQL question, that is question number 180, which is consecutive numbers. So we have a one table given logs which has two column ID and number, right? And we need to find the number. So basically we need to find a number that appear at least three times consecutively, and you can return the result table in any order. So let's suppose you have this table. So we need to find a number which appear consecutively three times. So this one appear three times consecutively, which is fine. Uh, does two appear consecutively three times? No. Does this one appear? No. These two appear two times, so not three times. So answer is only one. All right. So how we are going to solve this question? So you can copy this SQL schema and just to give it a try locally. So I have created table logs and the same data. One second. Yeah, so the same data. So like what exactly we need to do? Forget about the query, how we are going to write the query. uh, Even by manually you have to do how you are going to do. So if you have to do manually, what you are going to do? So this number, so first number you will compare with the next number, and the next number you will compare with the next number. If all these condition met, right, then you are going to return the number. Right. So basically, in a where clause, this number should be matched with this number, and this number should match with this number. But how? Because when you are on this row, how you are going to access the next row, and how you are going to access the next row. So we have a window function lead and lag. Lead means to find the next value. Lag means to find the previous value. So we are going to use the lead function. So lead is a window function. So lead on which column? Num. All right. Lead by what is like by default it's automatically one, but just for a simplicity, I am putting one here because if as soon as you put give lead and you give on which column you want to run, it's so you are here, it will automatically find the next column because one is the default value. But if you give two, it is going to find the next to next. If you give three, it is going to find next to next to next. So by default one lead. And this is a window function, same as rank, dense rank. So when it is a window function, what we need to use? We need to use over. All right. Okay. Order by. Do we need to order by number or do we need to order by ID? Because if you order by number, it will like sort this, right? Which we don't want, because if it is getting sorted, all the one will come above. Then and then the answer will be 1 and 2 as well. So we need to order by id, order by id, right? So as next number, all right, so let me run that. So I found the next number. Can I create one more column? All right, so answer is yes. So let's create one more column. So let me copy this and let me, so star, and what I need next to next number, so basically two over, and here next to next number from log. So let me hit enter. So now for this one, what is the next number? One and one, which is here. For this number, what is the next number? One, and what is the next to next number? Two, so it is here. For this number, what is the next number? Two, so it is here. And what is the next to next? This is one, it is here. For this number, what is the next number? One, and what is the next to next? This is here. For this number, what is the next number? This, but what is the next to next? There is nothing, so it's null. For this number, what is next? It's null. What is next to next? That is also null. Now, what we simply do, we need to check whether the number equal to next num and next num equal to next num. If that where condition satisfy, we are going to return the number, which is very simple, right? So we will let's create a city with city as, and so this is city. Now select what we need. Number only, because in the output we need to return only number, and the column name should be consecutive numbers. So num as consecutive numbers from which table? From CTE table, because now this the original table is log, but the new table which we have created is CTE from CTE. Where what should be the, like, which number we need to return? Where number equal to next num, and next num equal to next to next num. That's it. So answer is 1. And we can give the distinct as well, because there could be multiple like ones as well. So that's it. So let's try that. Let's run that. So sample test case is run. So let's say to submit. So all the test cases has been run fine. All the 23 test cases has been run fine. So so basically in the SQL now, window functions are very useful. So we should know a couple of window function. If you know those windows function, even the hard type of questions you can easily solve. Like this is a medium category question, and this is asked in like Amazon interview many times, right? And does it complicate it? So the answer is no. It is complicated if we don't know the window function. If we know the window function, then it is not even complicated. So what we normally did is, okay, we have this table. We have one table, select star from logs, right? And we need to compare. So compare means compare with the next number. Okay, as soon as we find, okay, compare with the next number, how we are going to get the next number? So immediately we should know, okay, we have a one window function lead, which is going to give me the next number. Okay, next is fine. But how do I get the next to next number? Okay, because for the lead function is not just for the next number. By default, it gets the next number. But if you provide the offset, it is going to the next number, right? Then we just created two more columns, and we can simply compare, right? So that's it. That's the end of the video. You can also give it a try, and thank you.